So next is working for extended arm in seating. So next is working for extended arm support in sitting. So from the sitting position ni patient, we'll ask him na i-place yung hands niya in some distance away from the body. Tapos yung hands niya dapat naka-flat sa table and naka-extend yung fingers niya. At para ma-avoid natin yung internal rotation, dapat yung pwesto ng hand ni patient is nakaturo sideways or naka-diagonally backward. Hindi pwede yung naka-forward position ng hand. Tapos next, i-lift natin yung shoulder girdle niya by placing yung hand natin under the axilla, tapos i-lift natin yung shoulder girdle. So by that position, naka-extend na yung elbow ni patient. So next is magbibigay tayo ng downward pressure sa shoulder at i-instruct natin si patient na slightly i-bend and extend yung elbow niya. So bend, extend, bend, extend, bend, extend. Okay. So next naman, if sobrang strong ng flexor spasticity ni patient at hindi niya kaya yung ganitong position kung saan naka-extend yung arm niya sideways, ang gagawin natin is i-lift natin yung arms niya in extension and external rotation. Tapos, magbibigay tayo ng gentle na push and pull kay patient. Okay. The end.